Dear friends, now in this video we will consider the second part of alimentary canal, and that is known as digestive glands. Digestive glands. Digestive glands secrete the digestive enzyme and hence the food digests. Now which are the digestive glands present in the alimentary canal of this animal? Alimentary canal of this Scoliodon. The first gland, those are coming from stomach, those are gastric glands. As I told you, gastric glands are present in the wall of stomach. Which glands? Which are those glands? Those are called gastric glands. So the gastric glands are present. The first type of gland are gastric glands. Where they are present? Gastric glands are present in the wall of stomach. That is not shown in diagram. And what they secrete? Dilute HCl. And pepsin enzyme. This dilute HCl help to kill the bacteria and provide acidic medium for digestion in the stomach. So these are gastric glands. Now next type of glands are called as a liver. These are very largest gland, liver associated with the alimentary canal. Now liver is like this. I will show here. The liver is attached by this way. The liver has two lobes. This is one lobe of liver, like this, one lobe of a liver. Now I will rub some of the liver here, liver, like this. And this is what? A second lobe of liver. The liver has therefore, this is the liver, portion of the liver. Liver is a large bilobed gland, and it has right and left lobe. Now on this lobe, on right lobe, a gallbladder is present. And from this gallbladder arises a duct known as bile duct. And this bile duct opens dorsally in the anterior part of intestine. So this is known as gallbladder. This is liver. This is called V-shaped gallbladder. Gallbladder. This is called as bile duct. What it is? Bile duct. It is called bile duct. Gallbladder, bile duct. The bile duct here, it opens dorsally in the anterior part of this intestine. Now liver secrete bile. What the liver secrete? Bile. Bile provide alkaline medium for digestion because inside the intestine requires alkaline medium, and so therefore bile is secreted by liver to provide alkaline medium, and hence it carries bile duct called bile duct. It gives that bile into anterior part of the intestine. Now next gland after liver, the liver of Scoliodon. One more thing that we have to remember: liver of Scoliodon. From liver of that Scoliodon, the shark liver oil is extracted. Shark liver oil is extracted. Now this oil is rich in vitamin D and A. Vitamin A. So shark liver oil has medicinal importance because shark liver oil contains vitamins A and D, or vitamin D and vitamin A. Now after that liver, the pancreas are present. Where the pancreas are present? Pancreas are present in the loop of. So these are the pancreas which are present in the loop of. This is the loop of pyloric stomach, and this is known as a intestine. And from this pancreas arises a pancreatic duct. From this pancreas arises a pancreatic duct. This pancreatic duct opens into the intestine or into anterior part of intestine by this way. Anterior part of intestine by this way. By this way in the sense, it opens exactly to the opening of bile duct. The opening, it means that in simple language, opening of bile duct and opening of pancreatic duct. What it is called? it is called as a pancreatic duct. So this is known as a pancreatic duct. It is called as a pancreatic duct, and this pancreatic duct opens exactly opposite to the bile duct. It opens ventrally opposite to bile duct. So this is third type of gland, which we call as a pancreas. So we have just studied pancreas. Pancreas secretes number of digestive enzymes such as lipase, protease, which digest the different types of food material. After pancreas, the next type of glands are called intestinal gland. So we have studied gastric gland, then liver, then pancreas, and fourth type of gland are called intestinal gland. Intestinal glands. They are located inside the wall of intestine. They secrete intestinal juice which contain digestive enzyme. The next type of gland is known as rectal gland, but rectal gland doesn't have any function with digestion. Rectal gland has no function with digestion. Simply it is attached with the rectum or with the alimentary canal. Thus these are the glands associated with the alimentary canal. Okay, do you get my point? So this is what the glands: gastric glands, liver, pancreas, intestinal glands and rectal glands associated with alimentary canal. Now next video will consider about the digestion, how digestion occurs. Okay.